Golfers, ever been stuck on the tee box with a dirty golf ball and no ball washer in sight? Well, here is a simple, cheap idea to fix that problem. Your own personal ball washer for less than $1. What you need is a double-sided sponge with a scouring pad on one side and sponge on the other, such as these Scrub Buddies that can be picked up at the dollar store in a pack of 6 for $1.25. Use an old one after doing the dishes. In addition to the sponge, you will need a small glass jar with a wide mouth and screw cap, such as this empty garlic jar. Also, a pair of scissors and some dishwashing liquid and a marker pen. First, draw a circle on the scouring surface of the sponge using the black marker. Use the jar as a guide to make this circle. Now cut around the circle to create a round sponge. You don't have to make a perfect circle. Now push the sponge into the jar. Add a few drops of dishwashing liquid to the sponge. Add some water to soak the sponge and create some suds. And now you're ready to clean a golf ball. To clean a dirty golf ball, such as this one, simply place the ball into the jar and twist it to clean the surface. When clean, remove the golf ball from the jar and wipe the ball with a golf towel. Your ball is now clean and ready to tee off. The dirt and debris are now in the jar and on the sponge and in the water. Cap the jar since the sponge retains the water and the cap seals the jar watertight. The risk of leakage is minuscule. After the game, remove the sponge, empty out the dirty water and rinse the sponge. Set up the jar for the next round and keep it in your golf bag. A simple, cheap solution for a dirty problem. Thanks for watching. Hi again. I've added a few improvements since I originally published this video. First, the size of the wide mouth jar originally suggested was 3 inches high, but the shorter 2-inch high jar makes cleaning easier. These jars can be found in the grocery aisle, containing such items as cut garlic, capers, or pimentos, etc. The sponge still fits nicely in the jar, the golf ball sits higher, and the sponge still holds plenty of detergent. It is now much easier to rotate and clean the ball on the sponge pad without getting your fingers in the jar. For a cleaner, I use Purple Fabulosa. A small bottle is $1.25 at the dollar store. Just add a few drops and enough water to soak the pad. This detergent has a strong, pleasant odor that keeps the washer smelling fresh. So there you have it, an inexpensive, do-it-yourself personal golf ball washer that cleans, sanitizes and deodorizes your golf ball. A must-have for every serious golfer. Bye for now.